So we're back working on the roof extension, and we have our center beam, I guess you'd call it, or rafter, up. Did that the other day. That was tricky. Had to go up the ladder, keep the board leaned against the scaffolding, get to the top, lean the corner on top of that. We had to strap them down, and then I think I had to bring it down 3 times to cut the angle a little bit different at the very top, right up in here. And finally I got it. I thought I had it really good. I didn't get it perfect. It's not perfectly straight up and down, but I had nailed a couple nails in. There really wasn't much. I wasn't going to get them out, so it's not perfect. It's off probably a degree, but it'll work, and it's coming down to this post, or the post will be holding it up, and it's good and solid, and there'll be many supports. So even if it was 1 degree different, we'd still have very difficult, tricky cutting, because now we have to connect these two. So I spent a couple hours up there on the first board getting the angles right. They're all compound angles, unpredictable, and taking off a little at a time, because you take off too much and all of a sudden your board's too short and then you got to start over. So the first one, I'm real happy. It's fitting in there really nice. So I brought it down, laid it on a 1x8 because that's what's going on next. Marked off the lines because the angles should carry through to the next one, because we're sandwiching four boards on there. So I had the 2 of them cut. I've marked the 3rd one. So I'm looking at this angle here with the slant of this, and down here I need this angle with that slant. And I'm marking an arrow, which is the top facing the house. So I'm going to put the first one up, then I'm going to try to put the second one up. It should fit. If it does fit nice, then I'll come down and cut this one along my lines, mark the 4th one, which will be a 1x6. That one I need to put some a camphor edge on it, and then we'll put that one up. We'll cut that one after, when we know this one fits. So you always have one marked ahead before you nail the last one on, or the one you're working on, because otherwise you have to redo all the angles. So just remember that. Ava and Maya are down here playing, and hopefully they stay right here and don't go very far. If not, I'll have to put them inside. Okay, time to go up, nail the first one on.